Hi everyone, good evening. Today we're going to do some assignment. It is regarding how to use OVID in evidence-based medicine. The clinical scenario 1, teens trying to quit smoking. Is cognitive behavior therapy more effective than nicotine replacement therapy? We're going to the American University of Beirut database, libraries, and A to Z list. We'll go to O, to M, midline Ovid. We'll mark on Ovid midline. Okay. Now it is Ovid, midline Ovid. We'll type here smoking cessation and search. We can find here smoking cessation. Double click, going down. There's no sub heading, so go up again and continue. And will include all subheading. Continue. Second, we'll search cognitive behavior therapy. Search. We can find here, double click. Then we'll go down to check subheading. Yeah, we can find a lot of subheading, so we'll mark here, going up, continue, include all subheading, continue. We'll search now about nicotine replacement therapy. Search. We can't find by name, but there is alternatives to PICO use cessation device. Well, double click, going down to check subheading. Yes, we can find it. It is nicotine chewing gums. So mark, go up, continue, include all subheading. So now we're going to mark the three, search data and add and. So became 1 and 2 and 3. So we wanted to do limitation to adolescent age. So limitation, additional limited, going to age, adolescent, and we're going to as well this is therapy, so we'll use maximize sensitivity, limit search, So now we can see limit 4 to adolescent and therapy maximize sensitivity, and you can find 8, just 8 of result, and it looks like fine. You can search about it. So we'll mark 4 and 5 and so 4 and 5 we can find 8 result. You can display the result here and you can check. First one, extended treatment of cigarette smoking cessation, randomized controlled trial, efficacy of smoking cessation therapy alone or integrated with prolonged exposure therapy for smoking, PTSD study protocol for randomized, and so on. Thank you very much.